Hey guys, I'm Dinosaur and today we're finally back again for some more reaction videos. We're back and I'm sorry it's been a while. I just got off of it for a while, now I've returned. So guys, welcome back. Hey guess what guys? Oh Puppy, not you again. Hey guess what guys? We're back for some more reaction videos. And today guys, we're gonna react to some Dellor. Dellor? I've heard him before. Yeah, I've heard him since 2018. Me 2017, I think. What's this? Dellor Fortnite Mega Race Combination 1. 5 years ago? It's been 5 years since this? Yeah, it's been 5 years since this came out. 5 years ago. So guys, we're gonna react some Dellor. Might do it in the future videos. Might do a bit of David V in between. Right, let's go. Dellor, let's go. Rage compilation 1, 5 years ago. Let's go. Okay, quality, guys, give me a second. Technical difficulties. Let's go. Let's go. Rage. Got bigger. Also, bigger screen. It got bigger screen now. iPad Pro. You got bigger screen now. Bigger screen. It's bigger. Like a cinema. Get him. You can get him. After the minutes left. And the sniper. No! Shut up, Pratt. Jerk. Why? Yeah, this is the old Fortnite back in season 5. Yeah, that's when it was good, but then now it's all shit now. Yeah? Huh? Never heard laugh before. That's the first. Yeah. Pratt. Jerk. What? Oh, this one's kind of too. Hey, we're gonna view of Dellor. Oh, my bad.
Get me out of the lobby, I don't fucking care! Jump pads are broken!
Yeah, what the hell now?
Fucking busted fucking bullshit! They don't build! My god! Fucking Christ!
Christ! Alright.
It's not keybind anxiety, I'm hitting the right fucking keybind! They don't build! They refuse!
What do you mean refuse? The game is bad, so don't play that shit. It doesn't play it anymore.
Fucking bad game!
Bad game got 12 kills, man.
Bad fucking game! Fucking bad fucking game! One fucking kill, mom's credit card. Fucking bad fucking game! Bad fucking game!
Bad game, you have 12 kills.
No.
He's a good player, but not as good as he used to be. Ryder. Peace. No. Shut up a bit. It was me, yes it fucking was, man. Missing the best bit. Bad game! Well, if it's bad, and don't play it then. Trap! You little shit. Give him. See that? See, little trigger got him as well. Knows a bullet. Give him his trash. If it's trash, then why does he play it then? It doesn't play it anymore. What's pay then? He plays Days In and World of Warcraft. Cheers.
Why won't it let me fucking report?
But he's still.
I don't understand. Holy shit! My god.
Well, it's a fact. Oh.
I need to up my game. No, I need to fucking downplay my fucking name. I need to downplay it to win. Fuck! I need to play fucking worse. Fuck, man.
He's not jump scared this time. He didn't build.
Are you kidding me?
No.
You fucking trash game.
How come didn't build?
You have got to be
Three
kidding
five.
me. Built my ramp 15 fucking build grids away in the ground. Holy shit. What am I looking for, dude? God, I'm out. Fuck you, Odie, ban him. I'm fucking playing solos. Fuck off, man.
Fuck off, man.
Bad fucking player. Get a fucking computer that is fucking dog shit, you fucking moron.
Puppet?
Waste
Was it
my
me? Yes, it was, jerk.
dog shit fucking E-machine.
What's an E-machine?
No!
Then ouch. You absolute tosspot. See, that is mad as well. Cause for that shit, well,
Stop spamming stupid fucking ghosts. I'm pretty sure the ghost thing's gone, dude.
gone, dude. What Republic stands? Republic fucking stands! Shut up, you twat bag.
Are you fucking kidding me? God, these fucking cowards, man.
You bastard.
Their go-to is to spam grenades. God, I hate guns, dude. This guy's 1 fucking HP, man.
Oh my god.
Fucking cunt. How is he doing that?
Because he's better than you! Jerk!
Ah!
Sounds like you.
God! My God!
Burn Marshall now! Burn him! Ban him! Ban who? Ban Marshall, you prat. Is he still banned?
My fucking God!
Yes, not you prat.
Trash can! You're so fucking bad!
Oh, brat!
My God! This game is so bad! This game is so fucking bad!
If it's bad, and don't play it then.
I don't have anything to break here, man.
It doesn't-
I
it
have
doesn't.
nothing to break here.
It's just prat jerk.
I don't have anything to break.
Then what's the point? Oh, gosh! That's jerk.
Fucking bad.
How old is he now? 35. 35? Just a big kid who plays games. Yeah, so I'm the same. I'm 17. I raised like Dellor.
Oh, what the fuck?
Hold on.
My God.
I said, guys,
Dead.
what? I'm 17 and I raised like Dellor as well. Yeah? Oh.
Fuck, man. Fucking build grid, dude. Are you fucking kidding me?
Back then it's only 30. Look, shit aim, shit aim! This game is bad, shit!
Oh, my God. What the fuck, man? Holy fucking shit. Where are my bullets going? I don't get it.
The bullets are not going anywhere else apart from the sky.
God.
Don't play such shit things. I don't understand. Don't understand what? How is this 5 years old already, this compilation? Who knows, man? Fortnite, birthday. It's just prat jerk. No, wah, 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 wah. Sounds like a Dowson Joe lawnmower. It's just asshole. Oh, for fuck's sakes, puppet.
Fucking Christ, man.
Well, that's what happens when I play shit games. Shush, jerk.
No! He's up top. How? There's one fucking guy. Fuck! There's one guy. He's up top and the sound is fucking dog shit in this fucking game. Fucking dog shit. Fucking Riverboat McCree, fucking on a boat, gambling, smoking cigars, fucking.
Who the hell smokes cigars these days? It's old! Smoking is for losers! Yeah, smoking is for losers.
Oh my fucking Christ! Holy fucking shit, dude. Holy fucking shit, dude.
Oh.
Dude, it wouldn't even be bad if I could fucking just filter out like stupid shit like 777. Why can't I fucking filter shit like that? I don't get it. Streamlabs is pulling in literally millions of dollars.
Dollars?
They can't fucking
Pounds?
filter out 777. I don't get it. Holy shit.
Oh, guys, thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe. If this video gets up to 1 like, no, hold on. If this video gets up to 5 likes, we'll do part 2 of this, combination 2. Do you agree, shut up a bit? Yes, Dellor is a cool person. I know he's 35 years old, just a big kid who plays games. I'm the same, but I'm 17 years old. I play Rocket League, not Fortnite, because Fortnite's shit. But yes, we'll do part 2 if it's 5 likes. Okay. Alright, guys, see you guys next time. One thing, what prat? It wasn't me. Yes, it fucking was, man. And that's instead of TV, headset full of shit. Yeah, I got banned on Twitch recently, for no reason. I'll be back in 2 weeks. Alright, guys, see you guys soon. Bye. Tosspot. Jerk. Assholes. British autistic kid, Dellor. Let's go for it. See you guys soon.